Today class we are discussing about functions in Raptor. I am Dr. PBC from CBIT. So basically a function is a group of statements which will perform the given task. In order to perform the given task, so a group of statements is combined, then it is said to be a functions. So in most of the cases, the functions are used for, suppose if you have written the statement like this, statement 1, statement 2, up to so on, 100 statement you have defined like this. So it is a clumsy program. This program is one long complex sequence of statements. So if possible, you try to divide your program into different parts. So first part function 1, second part function 2, third part function 3, and fourth part function 4. If you are dividing your program into different parts, then it is said to be modularity. So division of your program. So the beauty of this functional programming is simpler in coding. If you are dividing the work can be easily. So code reusability, you can define the code once and you can use any number of times. So better testing. Suppose if you want to test your code, you can test wherever you needed. So faster development. So the individual teams work their work, then the development becomes to faster, easier facilitation of teamwork. So we can divide our work into different parts. Each work is assigned to one team. So there is provision to do work faster and there is a provision to work parallel work provisions, right? So these are the beauty of our function programming. Suppose here these are the basic symbols including our input output symbols and processing. So we need to add a procedures. So in the mode you need to change intermediate. So we need to add the procedure name, the function name. A procedure name is add. It will takes the parameters a comma b. A comma b are the input parameters. The output parameter here it is the result of a plus b. A plus b will takes place and it will return the result as uh, return value. So a comma b are the input parameters for the procedure add. Once a plus b takes place, then it will return result as the output parameter. So this is the better way. Here I am taking addition of two numbers using functions. Already we did this program addition of two numbers, but we are using the functions concept. If you understand this one, then we need to go for this modularity and reusability easily. Suppose a value is 11, b value is 22, then result is 33. So we need to add these two numbers by using the concept of functions. So for that purpose, what the requirement here it is change mode to intermediate in menu settings and add procedure. The procedure name is add. Add is the procedure name. It will take a comma b. These two are input parameters. So it will process this. A plus b will takes place and results will be stored in the output variable result. So then we can print the results. So this is a comma b are reading a comma b by using this input symbols. I am calling this procedure add by passing a comma b as the input parameters. Once a plus b will take place, then the results will be stored in the variable results that will be printed. A value is 11, b value is 22, result is 33. So this is the main flowchart. Next, we will discuss about this add procedure, add subchart. So this subchart, what we are taking, it will take this x comma y, a comma b is copied into this x comma y. So these are the formal parameters. X comma y are the formal parameters. A comma b are the real parameters. A comma b values are copied into this x comma y. X plus y takes place and result is given to some variable res. So this res is the output variable. This by using this output variable, so this value is passed to where a function calling takes place. So in main function, so the result here, res variable is stored in the result variable. Here we are printing the result in this case. A value is 11, B value is 22. The result takes place and it will be printed. Suppose if you do like this, in place of plus if you are writing minus in other procedure, then it will give the subtraction of these two numbers. The other person is doing this subtraction, the third person is doing multiplication, the fourth person is doing division, and fifth person is doing modular divisions. So modular division gives the remainder. If each and every person is doing individual, there is a provision, there is a chance to do modularity. Work can be divided into modules, and every person doing their work, then increase the work speed. So now you can try these problems. So 2 plus 3, bracket of 2 plus 3. So this double star indicates exponents. Whatever this value, 2 power of 5 by 3. That is 15 by 3 is 5. You are getting 2 plus 5, 7. 7 power 5, the result. So next problem is 2 plus 5 multiplication, 15 modular division by 3. So 19 minus 15, for this bracket we are giving, apply BODMAS, multiplication 25 by 5. Thank you children. Thank you for listening.